Hello YouTube! My name is Robin of Robin's Nest Cooking Classes here in New Orleans. And this is my first video, so I'm a little nervous, so stay with me, stay with me. I have with me today my beautiful and bodacious bestie, Barbara. Barbara, come meet everybody.
Oh, hi.
Barbara, meet everybody. Everybody, this is
you gotta hold the
Barbara.
camera.
Okay, here we
Turn
go.
around.
Okay, we said it was my first one. I like
No,
it.
let it go.
Okay.
There you go.
Yay!
All right. Hey,
Look
y'all.
at her. Isn't
I'm
she
behind the camera,
fabulous?
so hey, that's me.
Is that not the best looking woman
Helping
you've
my
ever
friend
seen?
out
Woo!
with her
Twirl,
cooking
baby, twirl
classes.
for us. Boop, boop, boop,
You
boop.
guys are gonna love this.
Okay,
Well, all
here we
right,
go.
let's go.
All right, so first things first is you cannot make a New Orleans dish without a little champagne. Champagne goes with everything. So we're gonna have a little champagne. We're gonna have a little toast to our first video. And also the wine will calm me down a little bit, kind of take care of some of these nerves. And we're gonna do today Bananas Foster, because I like to set shit on fire. Oh, am I allowed to say shit?
Yep.
Oh, very good. Okay. Yeah, because I like to set shit on fire. So, first things first is I like to open champagne. Ooh.
Love that bubble pop.
Yes, ma'am. Look at those bubbles. I wish you could have some with us. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Woo!
All right.
Can you smell it? Ooh, is it smell-o-vision? All right, Barbara, my dear, for you.
I will try to hold this champagne while I hold this big old iPad.
She can do anything. She has 14 careers.
Cheers.
Cheers, my dear, to us, to you in YouTube land, because you're gonna love this Bananas Foster.
Mmm.
Delicious.
That
All right.
champagne is good too.
All right now, okay. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and cut up the Chiquita banana and, okay, I'm sorry. I guess I can't sing Ebony and Ivory either, can I? Damn it. Okay, all right, I'm sorry, I'll be good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna peel our bananas. Of course, we're gonna chop off those naughty little ends because nobody has time for that
Okay.
nastiness. So, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those. Bananas Foster. Barbara, it's one of your favorites, I know. Are you excited?
I love it. Can't wait.
This is something super easy, and because you're setting it on fire, it's gonna look awesomely cool, you know? So it kind of does two things at one time. Love it. Bananas and liquor. Oh, did I tell you there's liquor in it? Oh, there's all kinds of liquor in it.
Oh, good. Liquor. What kind of
Yes.
liquor?
We got some beautiful creme de banana. And then, of course, we must have the rum, which we're going to set on fire.
Woohoo.
All right, we're almost there. Actually, I'm going to stop. Go ahead and crank that pan up. So, whoop. Okay, now back to work.
All right.
Oh, did I say who dat? Who dat, everybody?
Yes, we are Saints fans.
Who dat? We're 4-1. We're going to the bowl. I feel it. I didn't say we were going to win necessarily, but we're going to get there. Don't you feel it? Doesn't it feel like it did the last time this season? I think it does.
It feels good. Can't wait.
Listen, I have to admit, I'm not really a diehard fan. If they suck, I don't watch them. But this year, I went and got a new shirt and everything.
I love it.
So there we go. All right. We got the beautiful bananas, which we're now going to bring over here by the stove. Okay. We are going to go ahead and put some butter up in there.
There's the bananas.
We got the butter. No, we need butter. We have butter, my dear.
Yeah, you have butter from the last time you were
Yes!
here cooking.
And that's exactly what I need. Okay. I'm going to go over here. Take some of this delicious butter. All right. I'm going to take about half of that. I'm going to put that in there, let that start to melt. Oh, yeah. What's better than butter? What's better than butter? Nothing.
Not much.
Pork skin. Huh? What's better than pork skin, fried, and butter? Nothing.
Pork skin, fried, and butter with champagne.
Yes, oh my God, that's the right word. Let's have some. That's what happens when you have a moment down. You come over here and take a sip. That way you don't get too drunk. but you are having just the appropriate amount of wine to make the experience fantastic.
Yes. So you'll have that when you're showing people how to make the bananas foster in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
They
ma'am.
can have champagne.
Let's talk about the classes. I just started my own little cooking school, Robin's Nest Cooking Classes.
I love it.
We're going to be at the most beautiful church, Mount Olivet on Algiers Point. You take a lovely ferry right across, and then there we are, right about 3 blocks from the ferry. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We have a beautiful courtyard. We're gonna do all kinds of cuisine. It's gonna be fantastic. Starting November 1st, and I'm gonna have all the information on my site, Robin's Nest Cooking Classes.
Awesome.
All right, perfect. And now the butter is ready. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some of this delicious, get a close up.
The
The
butter's
brown
good
sugar
now.
and the butter. Get the close up. Oh, and I want to say one thing.
Sure.
Normally, when you start to cook, first things first, you wash those hands. And second thing is, ladies, pull that hair up. I want to be cute today because it's my first video. But normally, no, I would not have the hair down. It's a very important point, okay? Nobody wants hair in their food, right?
Good advice.
It happened to Barbara before. No, it was not a pretty weekend. I'm just saying. Okay, so we're starting to just let this do its thing. We're gonna go ahead. Woo! We're gonna take that off. Sit that here. We're gonna open up that banana liqueur, and we're gonna go ahead and add some of that as much as we want.
Yeah.
Clearly. Woo! It's gonna reduce down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and add some of our beautiful cinnamon. Boop. Yes, indeed. Come back over here and give that a stir. You know, let that do its thing for about 2 minutes. And then we're gonna take time to clean. That's the other thing, all right?
Okay.
We gotta run a clean kitchen. So, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna get rid of all of our stuff and keep this place clean. Now, I want everybody to see, would you pull that door open for me, baby?
Yes.
I want everybody to see Barbara's fantastic kitchen, and we want to thank her for letting us use her marvelous kitchen.
This will
to
be the
make
test kitchen.
This is our test kitchen. Yes, isn't it fabulous? Take a little stroll around with everybody.
Thank you, guys.
See, oh, she's a big Mardi Gras fan.
Hello. Happy Mardi Gras. It's always Mardi Gras in my head.
She rides in mix. She's fabulous. You know what? I want more banana liqueur.
Hail Nix, and how about some more banana liqueur?
Yes, indeed. Yeah, she's in mix. Look for her. I didn't get a purse last year. Something's wrong. She's going to rectify that.
Oh, let's talk about bananas.
Oh, my God. Yeah, you heard that, huh? Right off of it. Okay, now. Beautiful, yes? Cooking, cooking, cooking. All right, now, we're going to go ahead and take these bananas, and we're going to put them round side down, just like so.
Round side down.
Round side down. Put those gorgeous bananas up and down.
And you did say this is going to be one of the things you'll be teaching.
Yes,
and people
ma'am.
can have hands-on in the class?
They will be doing everything.
Oh,
That's how
right.
hands-on it is.
Yes.
I'm going to teach you, but you will do everything. Believe me. We'll do
Awesome.
bread puddings. We'll do different kinds of gumbos. Shrimp creole, shrimp etouffee. If we want to do, say, Italian food, we'll do some beautiful beautiful Italian food. Whatever cuisine that you like. I would think if you come to New Orleans, you want to learn Cajun and Creole cuisine, which is my specialty after all. So, but we can do anything. And actually, brunch is my favorite meal of the day, and I do a tremendous New Orleans brunch.
It's amazing.
We start with crab cakes egg Benedict, go into New Orleans style shrimp and grits with andouille,
And say my favorite.
praline bacon,
There it is.
and then jerk chicken wings and waffles with homemade syrup, because it's the best. Oh yeah, look at these. We're just gonna let them do their thing. We're actually gonna add
More bananas.
Yes.
Yes.
Because
We got bananas on bananas.
Isn't that beautiful? So we're gonna give them just 2 minutes to get nice and soft. And we're also gonna just fire up the flame. All right. I think it's time, of course, for another sip.
Okay.
All right. Miss Barbara,
Yes.
will you have a little toast with me, Don?
Sure.
To Barbara for making all of this happen. to my bestie,
Oh,
Ebony.
You're welcome.
And, okay, I'm
I
sorry.
got you, girl. Well, she doesn't mean karaoke, typically.
Woo, woo. We like that karaoke. My girl has she has a whole repertoire of songs. And she's awesome at all of them. I do like, I Will Survive the best. The
Okay.
oldie but goodie.
Oh.
I Will Survive. All right, bubble up, bubble up.
How does that look, y'all? Doesn't it look amazing?
Ice cream. You know it, girl.
All right.
All right, vanilla. Did I say vanilla? Only vanilla, not chocolate, not butter pecan, not pralines. Oh, that sounds good though, pralines and cream. But no, it is a traditional vanilla ice cream, and I'm a traditionalist when it comes to stuff like this, so only vanilla. You hear me?
Okay. Vanilla ice cream to go with the Bananas Foster.
Vanilla ice cream. All right, now, so we've got the ice cream. I'm gonna come over here. Now it's time, baby. It's time.
Uh-oh.
All right,
Here we
you
go.
ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. It's my favorite freaking part. Okay, first I gotta figure out how to do this thing. Give me a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, wait a minute. Whee! That's what I'm talking about, bitches. Can I say that? Bitches! Is that not the most beautiful? The most fabulous thing? Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, children get to have this. They can have this because the alcohol cooks right off, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, now we've turned off our flame. Oh, and it's just going to dissipate on its own. We're just going to sit that right there. We've gone ahead and turned off the flame on it. I love it. It knows when to stop. It's going to burn everything out that we want burned out, but it's going to leave that fantastic flavor. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so let's do this thing. Oh my goodness.
Did it flame or what?
Gorgeous. You did good. Oh, look at that sauce. Oh, look at that.
That is butter
I'm singing.
and brown sugar.
It is butter and brown sugar. It is cinnamon. Oh, and add a little vanilla if you are so inclined. And you can even let this juice reduce even a little bit more. But I can't wait. So we're going to eat it now. But look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, my girl. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to feed you because you are holding the thing. You ready?
With 2 hands, yes.
Yes. Okay, you ready? Oh, look at that.
All right, you guys won't see
Everybody
it, but,
see that? Oh,
you
my
will
damn.
see it. Let's see how it tastes,
Oh,
guys.
my damn. Oh, oh, shoot.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we spilled it all over my girl.
Okay.
So,
All right. So how did it come out?
oh my God.
What is your
Come on.
What is your take on it, Chef?
I am happy like a little girl. Okay, I'm sorry. That was just nasty. It is absolutely fabulous. Maybe I've had just a little bit too much champagne.
Oh, really?
Really can't have too much champagne. But this is absolutely delicious. Did you see how easy it was? Anybody can do that. And when you do that, maybe tableside for your guests, when they see the flame, oh, they're going to go crazy. Now, use 151 for a much better flame. For some reason, I couldn't find any today, so the beautiful gold Bacardi rum worked just fine. But if you want the really spectacular, get that 151. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I sure had a great time. I hope you learned a little something. And remember, Robin's Nest cooking classes. Thank you so much. Thank you, America. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Bye-bye, y'all.